students. How are you guys doing? Hi Akshat. Hello bacha. Can you people see and hear me clearly? Yes? Hi. Hi Swastika. Hi Shashank. Hi sophisticated Stacy. What a sophisticated name. Hi. Hi Ruha. Gratitudinal Gaurav. Nivi Foodie. Aryan, Ayush Agarwal. Okay, so yeah, today's session is going to be very quick. The session is all about, because you guys have so much curiosity and I understand all of it, that you guys want to know that I was a master teacher at Vedantu and why did I leave my job. And a lot of messages have been pouring in my DM and a lot of mails I have been receiving. I can understand what curiosity is around. I have told a lot of times to you people why I left Vedantu, but I thought that for once and for all, I can put it out. So, any guesses why would you think that I will leave the job? Any guesses? Thank you. Any guesses? Yeah, guesses नहीं बता रहे हो. Hi, bye बोल रहे हो. Good evening, people. Good evening. I hope you guys are doing great. Okay, so I'll tell you the first, personal reason. There's nothing called as personal reason. It's professional and personal mix of both. So I will tell you. So I joined Vedantu in last, I think October, and the journey has been great. Vedantu has given me. I was not a teacher before joining Vedantu. It was only at Vedantu that I became a teacher, and I got to meet so many cute children like you guys, and it's all because of that the journey started, and I'm loving it. So first of all, I'll try to tell you that how much I owe it to Vedantu and the job that I did there. As for leaving it, I have been thinking about it since the pandemic started. Now, because I live alone and because the workload at Vedantu was 5 classes per day, I was not even able to cook meals. I'm already not a morning person. I wake up around like 11 or 12 every day. Yeah, I know that's pretty late. And you know, the classes will start from 2 or 3 or 4 o'clock, and I would never get any time for household work or to cook a meal for myself. So that was happening every day regularly. So I thought that I need to understand that health needs a priority, and that's how I took a call, and I'm so grateful to my parents that they supported it. And there is one more reason, that I needed personal growth, and I needed to sit back a little and understand. I've been thinking about if I want to teach biology also. Some of you already know that I've always had an interest in biology. In fact, I'm a biology graduate myself. So I needed some time to think about it, needed some time to, learn about biology also, so that I can teach really nicely, just like I have taught social sciences, just like I'm teaching social sciences to you. So yeah, those are the couple of reasons. Also, there was one more reason, that I wanted to visit my family in Delhi, in Faridabad basically. That I still haven't. I'm still in Bangalore because my sister was pregnant, and I would like to tell you, just 10 minutes before this live, I've gotten to know that she has delivered a very healthy baby boy. So yes. So I was not able to go to Delhi because she was pregnant. I did not want to carry any germs. Now that she has delivered the baby boy, I might be able to visit Delhi very soon. I've been waiting for it. It's been almost a year since I visited them. Yes, so that was all about it. But like I had promised on Vedantu's platform, that I'm going to be with you for the entire year for your exams, be it class 9th, be it class 10th. This is going to happen. I'm going to keep my word. I'm going to keep my promise. I will teach you here also. I'll have a YouTube channel also very soon. I can't tell you an exact date, but very soon, before 15th of August or 20th of August, you will see me on YouTube with the same zeal, with the same excitement that I have always taught you. All the mentees, all the doubt solving will happen again. And till then, I'm going to keep connecting with you here also. So don't worry, Bacha Party, I'm not going anywhere. I'm kind of a cheap teacher that you have gotten, and you would have to stick with me here. Right? Easy peasy lemon squeezy, definitely. Any more questions? Any more questions? Yeah, as for people, some of you have reached out to me and they have been asking me that, ma'am, were people not nice to you at Vedantu? See, people are just people. Now, good people can be anywhere and bad people also, right? So we can't blame any organization or any city. Like some people ask me, ma'am, don't you feel nice in Bangalore? No, it's not like that. It's always a mixed bag of, good or bad people you get. That's not, the only reason why anybody would take a call like that. It always is a mixture of professional as well as personal growth, and that's how I also took this. But like I promised, once a teacher always a teacher. You guys can reach out to me anytime you want here. You can ask any doubts you want, right? As for joining Vedantu, I'm not so sure if this will happen this year, because when you grow up, you become an adult. It's not very ethical to leave a job and then rejoin it and then leave it again or rejoin it. So I can't say about future, but definitely not anytime soon I would be joining. As for social sciences, definitely I'm going to continue teaching social sciences, but I am also trying to teach biology also, because I have my personal interest in it. So let's see when that happens. Okay, you guys would be the first people who will get to know about it, right? So this was all for today's live. Now if you have any question, please go along and ask me. Do you like bindi? Of course I like bindi. I've been putting it for the last 7 years. Of course I like it. Try Byju's. Yes, some of you have been suggesting me to apply to a couple of places. You have, advised me to apply to Byju's, to Unacademy. Then you have told me pros and cons also. And it makes me feel so proud that you take a personal interest in my career. You take a personal interest in my growth, in my happiness, in my peace. I couldn't be more blessed. Thank you so much. I'm also Bioni. Okay, Navy point taken. Hi, Neon. 98 in SST, Sarya. I'm so proud, bacha. Good evening. Multi-talented, yes. Yeah, even I have gotten to know that I'm multi-talented. I can cook now. Today only I have brought a lot of stationery. You guys, I would be spamming my feed with a lot of paintings. I'm trying my hand out on painting also. So yeah, you're gonna see me a lot. And you have to support me. Anything and everything that I do will never be possible if you guys won't support it. You know it, I know it, and let's just make it together. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We'll do that for social sciences also, and maybe for biology also. Can't promise, but at least I can think about it, right? So thank you so much. Your exams are my exams. Your hard work is my hard work. We'll be here. I'll be on YouTube also. We'll crack it, right? So thank you, bacha. Thank you for all the support, yeah, Aryan. Journal. Okay. Some people are saying that you are going to teach in Unacademy. Some people are saying I am going to teach in Byju's also. So let's see what happens. I am still considering. You will be the first people who will get to know about it right here. So don't go anywhere. Stick to this page. This is only for you. I've come on Instagram only for you guys. And yes, I'll tell you very, very soon. So bye-bye, children. Very good evening. And I'll pass all of your love and wishes to the baby boy in our family who has come today, and to my sister also. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for loving me so much. Bye.